Yo dudes, this is Logan at Riskless Review, where I test products so you don't have to. So today we're going to be doing some BTS unboxings. So let's get to it. Yeah, I got something off of eBay, and I'm not sure exactly what I got. So let's take a look. Official chart count. Oh yes, Lee Hyun's second album. So this one's cool because it has a special feature, Bad Girl, featuring BigHit's old female group GLAM and Bangtan. So this is one of their first tracks that they put out. Yeah, it was like 2011. So kind of the first time you've seen them featured on an album. This one was actually really hard to find. I ended up having to search using Korean text into eBay, and I tried that for about 6 months until I finally found a copy. So really cool. This one counts towards the charts, which is cool, although it's quite a bit old, so I'm not sure how much that matters. But let's just take a look. There's not much more going on here, but other than listening to the track, of course. But so yeah, this is a simple one. Cool part though is, if you look at this, you can see track Bad Girl. See good old Hitman Bang on there. P-Dog. So these are some quality tracks. Those are the people on the production side. Yeah, another P-Dog one. Bad Girl. Another Hitman Bang. And P-Dog. So, yeah. Give that a check. I don't know if it's posted online. If there is, I'll try and put a link in the description for you to listen to. But very cool. Thanks to probably BTS somewhere in there. Not too much Korean for me to read. But yeah. Very cool. So this is one of the first times that BTS is featured on an album. Very cool. Check out Bad Girl. Give it a search. Look below in comments for a link. Well, this is a quick one, so I hope you enjoyed and got a little info about it. Hopefully you can find this yourself if you're interested. Hit like or subscribe, and shoot a comment if you liked what you saw. All right, talk to you soon.